Ever been stuck trying to arrange a ride for a friend, family member, or client without being physically present? Today, I will show you the quick and easy way to order an Uber for someone else, ensuring they get to their destination smoothly and safely. Start by opening your Uber app, right there on your phone in the Where To box. Type in the destination where you want the other person to go. Now choose the ride option that best suits their needs, considering factors like price, vehicle size, and estimated arrival time. Once you've selected, tap Confirm. Before finalizing the request, tap on the Who's Riding section. This is crucial. This is where you'll update the rider's information. Here, carefully enter the first name, last name, and most importantly, the phone number of the person who will be taking the ride. This ensures the driver can contact them directly. Double check everything, then tap the Request Uber button. Uber will then start searching for a driver. Once a driver accepts the request, you can track their location within the app and share the ride details with the person taking the ride, so they also know when to expect their driver. And there you have it. You've successfully ordered an Uber for someone else. Remember to confirm with the rider that they've received the ride details and are ready to go.